Hey, what's up everybody? Happy days. Today I'm doing an unboxing of my latest watch by Tissot. So this is the box. Let's open the box. Ooh, what have we here? It is, what do you call this? Yeah, I can't read that. Anyways, taking this off, unwrapping. This is a rubber band. I believe it's a rubber band. Focus, focus. I believe this was 21 joules or thereabouts. Let's take a look at the entire backing and the movement. It's a newer movement. It's a modification of the System 51 that they use in Swatch watches. Only instead of using some of the plastic parts, it uses all metal parts. I guess for a little more durability and higher quality. I love looking at the little jewels on the inside. My other Tissot watch, you can't really see the jewel. I'm actually quite disappointed in my other, my little local Tissot with the power, the 80-hour power reserve, because you can't really see the jewel. And I just love looking at that ruby. Just, it's so pretty. At least this one you can see one of the jewels. So this one, that's one thing I kind of don't like. So this watch is a sports watch, and this is supposed to represent a brake caliper, and it kind of gets in the way here. And I wanted, one of the things I wanted to know was which way does it wind? It does wind this way, the normal way. Because I can hear gears grinding, but I don't hear anything when I turn it the other way. Let's see if I can set the date. Is today the 12th? No. Let's see if I can set the time. Yep. I'll do that later. So yeah, we've got the Tissot here. I'm not going to make this video too long. It's just a watch. I guess I should put it on now. So this is the lume. It shows up pretty good. Not bad. And here I am. This watch looks pretty big on my wrist, but I knew that going in. I believe it's a 48-inch case diameter, which is pretty big actually. But I wanted big, so that I'm not going to complain. That I wanted something big, kind of, you know, something flashy, and that's exactly what I got. You know, it feels big, it feels substantial. Most of the watches that I owned, they're like unisex, and they're like, you know, 38-inch, 39-inch, 48-inch, and I wanted something big, you know, something that just makes a statement. And this watch makes a statement. I mean, this is like, pow, this is like, and it looks cool too. You know, I really like this, you know, the racing. I'm a little bit of a car fanatic. And these little lug nuts here on the side are supposed to be like the lug nuts on a car. So they look kind of cool. There's one here too, and there's two. There's one here and there's one here. Yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching.